Hello everyone, today we are going to be taking a look at Ubuntu MATE on the Raspberry Pi. Let's get right to it. So this is the welcome screen right here that comes up when you boot the Pi, and you can select some things like there. Let's close that and check out some other things. This is the MATE desktop right here. And if we go to the menu, we can see we have some pre-installed applications. We have a full Office suite. We have a bunch of stuff right here. And we have our stuff up here for like our network, our Bluetooth, stuff like that. And then we have desktops. And I think this is where the application windows go. So say we open the home folder. They go down right here. So this is actually based on an older version of GNOME. And so it's kind of, not the latest interface, but it performs very well. So just the UI and everything is nice and lightweight. And also if we look at our stats, so in the system monitor, we can see it is using, less RAM than Ubuntu for sure. It's not as little as Raspberry Pi OS or anything, but it's not nearly as much as Ubuntu. In fact, it's less than half. So it's pretty good. And let's take a look at some other things. So let's do some video playback, which is one thing I always do. You can see we are loading up my channel right here. So if we adjust the resolution right here, we want to take it to the max. And let's do stats for nerds. And it's barely dropping any frames, so that's good. I guess it dropped a few more there, but for the most part, it's doing pretty good. It depends, because right now it's dropping a lot. I don't know, it's fair. And Chromium would probably be better, it always is, on a Raspberry Pi, because it has the proper acceleration and stuff. But it's not bad. So if we check out some other things, let's open LibreOffice Writer, just see how fast this operating system really is. So we have that up and running right here, and we can edit documents. And if we close that, let's see what else we have. We have the terminal right here, and this is a pretty nice operating system, especially since it's based on Ubuntu. I actually used to use this as my main operating system, and it performed very, very well. So I think this is a great operating system. In here, you can change the appearance to something like this, maybe. Or there are some other ones in here, like these. I don't know, you can experiment with some different ones, or there are the regular ones. So there are some built-in themes, and then we have some wallpapers. So we can just do that one. And this is already looking pretty nice. So you can just play around with some different things and get this operating system set up. And I think, if you're using a Raspberry Pi as your main computer, this would be one of the top operating systems I would recommend. So it's a very nice operating system. It's based on Ubuntu, and you just have to tweak it a little and it would be very nice. So that is about it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a try. Link in the description. You can download Ubuntu MATE, and until next time, it's Fortnon Kiwi from Superuser Project.io. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and we will see you next time.